Amy the drive, good defense there. Vide into the lane, step through, dumps it in. Cougars defense to the post.
Good help defense.
Palazzi, yes, forced it out of there. Vide though, right down the middle of the defense.
See LMU here just really battling inside. They gave the inside out, and there's the drive, the blow by. Again, if there's one thing defensively.
That's the first on Nate.
Oh, wow.
Vide hangs with it. Keep it straight up.
Out of bounds play. You can see there was no pressure on the ball. The pass over the top, and then they kind of play volleyball on the glass up there until they finally finish. I think with both of these teams to the basket, low post players anymore. You're 6'11", you're 7-footers, college and more so NBA, all shoot the three now.
Boy, Vide going to the
perimeter a little bit more.
How about the defense by Porter? Here's Vide. He's got Amy with him. Shot to the rim off the glass, and it goes. Explanation right here.
You see now the fifth guy from LMU should have stayed at half court. And instead, focus just to keep them on the perimeter. Gap defense, and in the gap, stop the drives, make them have to shoot it.
Vide
giving layups.
Amy, a great cut to the bucket.